means we start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. Let's go ahead and stand up. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side, and we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. And full in life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge GCEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge GCEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, going on, taking a look. We are at the end of our month. It is May, and we're putting our last Friday on it, the 28th. Tomorrow is the 29th. The 30th is down here for Sunday, and then we have no school on the 31st because it is Memorial Day. It is a time to reflect and think about those people who have passed away, who defended our country. Friends, let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Are we ready? All right, nice big voices. Here we go. Days of the Week.
Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and Saturday. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week. Days of the Week.
Your turn. And today is Friday, May 28th, 2021. Now let's take a look. What are we going to put here? Let's come all the way back here for our pattern. Remember, it's 3 of everything. So let's count. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. Kite. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Now what about when we're not in school on Monday? What should go there? The sun, because we already have 3 kites. Very nice with that pattern. All right, we predicted sunny weather today, and it is sunny. Sunny and what else?
Rainy.
Not rainy means we're getting wet. We can't go outside for recess. Sunny and what?
Windy.
Windy. That's exactly right. It is sunny and windy. What about tomorrow for our first day of our summer weekend? Sunny. That sounds nice. All right, we're going to say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let me hear ya. A, B,
with your Dr. Seuss. What is this shape? Rectangle. My friend's sitting right here with the dinosaur mask. What shape is this?
Square.
Square. Right here, my friend with the panda mask. What shape is this? Octagon. My friend sitting so nicely right here with the Avengers. What is this shape?
Diamond or rectangle.
Ooh, close. Diamond or rhombus. Very nice. Right back here with the cars. What color is Joy? Yellow. Right next to him. Wrong button. There we go. Right here in the red shirt. What color is Sadness?
Blue.
Good. Right there. Dinosaur mask. What color are the elephants? Gray. All right. Moving on. Right here. The gray mask. What number is this?
8.
Right next to him. Right here with the camo mask. What number is this?
20.
Excellent. I think I got everybody. Our nursery rhyme this week is rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. All right. Oh, let's take a look. What is this big one called? Quarter. And this brown one? Penny. Very nice. Look at all the letters we've done, and we are now on to the letter V. What does V say? Bite that bottom lip and push that air through. For violet, vector, victory. All those wonderful words. Go ahead. Yes, sir. From Minions, from Despicable Me. We're going to go ahead and sing our song as we get our pieces out. Today you are building the whole letter V by yourself. You're on the blue side. On the blue side, and make the letter V.
Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. I said you have to start it at the top.
I'm far from top. I'm
No, is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top?
Wait, and then the bottom. The bottom. Shake it in the middle.
Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? Yes, it's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top?
making the letter V on your own.
Violin.
Making the letter V on your own.
Asher, go ahead and make it.